6. I'm here with another maths investigation for you to have a go at today. So today's big question is, can you make all square numbers by adding two prime numbers together? So, can you make all square numbers by adding two prime numbers together? To be able to answer this question, you need to know what square numbers are and what prime numbers are. Now, both of these things you have looked at in the past, and I know that you looked at them both last week. So, square numbers is where a number is multiplied by itself, and the product is called the square number. So, for example, 4 times 4, the product is 16. 16 is the square number. Prime numbers are numbers that can only be divided by themselves and 1. So they therefore don't appear in any times tables. So a starting point for this investigation is going to be to list all the prime numbers, and I would list all the prime numbers up to 100. If you are struggling with this, there is a help sheet that I have put together to help you. You could also use that help sheet to check your list of prime numbers once you've made it. You're also going to need to list the square numbers up until 12 times 12. You can go further if you wish, because this investigation could go on for a long time. If you're enjoying it, go further than that. Okay, so I'm going to start off by listing the prime numbers. 1 is not a prime number, because a prime number is a number that can only be divided by itself and 1. And 1 can only be divided by 1. So it's not a prime number. So I'm just going to list the first few. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay, and I'm going to list the first few square numbers as well. So starting with 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16. I'm going to stop there, but I'll let you carry on up until at least 12 times 12 or further if you want to. Okay, so I want to make the square number by adding two prime numbers together. Well, looking straight away, the first square number is 1. I can't add two prime numbers to make 1, so I can't do that one. I'm going to put a cross there. Can I make 4 by adding two prime numbers together? Hopefully you can see that 2 add 2 would give me 4. So I can do that one. So I'm going to write that, I'm going to do a tick. Can I make 9 by adding two of these numbers together? Well, I can do 7 add 2, can't I? 7 add 2 equals 9. So I'm going to give that a tick. Can I make 16 by adding two of these numbers together? Well, I could, and I could do 3 add 13, which gives me 16. I'm going to give that one a tick. So far, the only one I've found that I can't make is 1. So what I want you to do is carry on this investigation. As I said, make sure you do it at least as far as 12 times 12, the square number, which is 144. But I would suggest challenge yourself, see if you can go a little bit further and see what you find out.